But we got stakes for real. We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All my niggas ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. When I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees, I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young vet Wiz, he was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I can turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you, buck 12, nigga, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, bitch, you know I got the strap. Buck around, I push to get paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling, I can turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you, buck 12, nigga, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, bitch, you know I got the strap. Buck around, I push the gas. I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Yeah, okay, my timing is critical. Then on my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm needing a ritual. You bet my cash is long. I hit the gas, I'm gone. Riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone. I'm gonna blast them all. Sliding on fade. I've been finding my ways. Grinding for days. I've been out shining the hate. All of y'all wanted for praise. Stuck in a phase. Let it and turn it a blaze. Yeah, homie, you don't want no race. Nah, better to stick to your place. Yeah, want it all, I gotta taste. You push on the pedal, now I gotta skate. Yeah, all I ever know. Put me on this throne. Pinnacle. Push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you own. Push it and I zone. Sonic booms full of fucking room. Running till the tomb with my goons. Motherfucking fumes. Y'all know what it do with the crew. When we coming through, y'all know better move. Make it fast. Ain't no second chance. Coming for your ass. Turn to ash. Burning rubber. Now I'm better push the gas like.
I do the dash. On my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas. straight from the top. And I'm hating the slack, couple man slide around like they hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.